Hi Richland 2, my name is Jasmine James. I'm your Transportation Routing and GIS Specialist, and today we'll be explaining Traversa Route 360. So what we're going to go over in this PowerPoint is what Traversa Route 360 is, how it works and how it looks, sharing a student, and your web and mobile app access. So what is Traversa Route 360? Traversa Route 360, or My Ride K-12 app, provides quick access to students' routing information, which for Richland 2 will include the student name, the bus stop, their bus number, their AM pickup time, their PM drop-off times, their school arrival and dismissal times. Meaning, when the bus will pick them up in the morning from their bus stop, when they will arrive to school, and vice versa. So this is just a example of how it will look on the computer or desktop and how it will look in a mobile app. Here you have the student names up top, their student ID, their grade, primary address, their bus number, bus stop, AM pickup time, school arrival time, and same down here with the dismissal time and the drop-off time. Ride 360 utilizes GPS data to give access to information on where the school bus is, the planned bus path, or what we know as routes, and what time the bus is expected to be at the student's bus stop. And here's an example of that. Here you can see the bus is at this location. We're going to assume that's at their transportation hub, and it's going to go along this planned route here, pick up the student, go along the planned route, and get them to school. And this is a live example of how our Richland 2 will look. You have your student's name, their bus number, their bus stop, and all of the rest of their information. So how it works and how it looks. Parents and or guardians will need to register as a subscribed user in order to access Ride 360. Here you will use your whatever email of preference, pick a password, your first and last name, and you should get an email stating that you registered. So after registering as a subscribed user, the following student information will be needed: the student's legal last name and their student ID, which also is known as the district ID number. It's usually that number that starts with a bunch of zeros and ends with 5 regular digits. You're only going to need those 5 regular digits in order to link yourself to a student. And this is how that will look once you log in for the first time. So here we're entering the ID, legal last name, they found the student, there's your student. So sharing a student link can be shared up to 3 times to 3 different users. Parents and legal guardians have the right to disable this feature by contacting the transportation department. This can be undone, okay? Shared links can also be removed by parents/legal guardians. For example, the custodial parent does not want the other parent to have access, even though the other parent has all of the child's information and can register as a subscribed user. Once this feature is disabled, no one with the child's information will be able to link to the student. Side note, we do go based off what is in Power School. So if that parent is in Power School, they have the right to the student's information in Ride 360. So this is how it will look once you're sharing a student with another person via their email address. And this is how it will look when parents remove a shared link. And here we have Ride 360 can be accessed via the web and or mobile app. It is available in the App Store. It is available in the Google Play Store. And again, it is available online as well. And that's Traversa Ride 360.